Hi, I'm Lee Cobb. I'm the music director here at the Advent, and I'm seated at the console to our carillon. We have 11 bells that are played manually from this keyboard. It's actually played by the knuckles or the hands. And let me just play a scale so you get an idea of what it sounds like. Those are the bells of the major scale. The tower was built in 1915, was given by the Cleveland family, and later in 1926 the bells were cast in Troy, New York by the Meneely Bell founder, and they were delivered down here, and we can play tunes on this instrument. For instance, here's a little bit of Welcome Happy Morning. See that the mechanism is fairly noisy, but the bells sing out beautifully when you're outside. The instrument is played every Sunday after our 10:15 Mass, and it's also played for funerals, and it's played whenever we want to hear some beautiful music.